Many men believe they can make a woman happy without money. But let's be honest, not entirely true. Love is beautiful, but when money enters, it feels even sweeter. Still, the good news is, you don't need to be rich yet to make your woman feel loved. What matters most to her is attention, respect, and consistency. Call her, check on her, ask about her day. Don't disappear like bad Wi-Fi. Small gestures make a big difference. Pray with her, support her dreams, and do thoughtful little things. Even a simple home-cooked meal can sometimes mean more than an expensive dinner you can't afford yet. Show her you're proud of her in public, and appreciate her in private. Let her know she's your number one, even if your bank account still looks like zero. Remember, women may forget the price of gifts, but they never forget how you made them feel. So, while you're working hard to build wealth, also build love, trust, and loyalty. Those things are priceless, and they'll mean even more when success finally comes. At the end of the day, money will come. But love is the real currency. Spend it wisely, and you'll always be rich in her heart, even if your wallet is still warming up. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.